In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add or edit your LinkedIn headline and summary in just 5 minutes. The process is straightforward and you'll be able to make your profile stand out in no time. Let's dive right in. First things first, we'll start by heading over to linkedin.com. Make sure you're on the home page ready to log in. You have a few options to log in. You can use Google, Microsoft, or simply enter your email address and password. If you have two-factor authentication enabled on your LinkedIn account, don't be surprised if you're asked to verify using a code sent to your phone. This extra step is there to keep your account secure. Once you're logged in, navigate to the upper right corner of the page where you'll see your avatar picture. Click on it and a drop-down menu will appear. From this menu, click on View Profile. This is where the magic happens. On your profile page, look for the introduction section. You'll spot a small pencil or edit icon there. Click this icon to start editing. This is your chance to showcase your personal brand, so make sure your headline conveys who you are and what you do concisely and effectively. Once you've made your changes to the headline field, don't forget to click Save. It's a simple but crucial step to ensure your new headline is updated and visible to everyone who views your profile. Next, let's move to the About section, which is equally important. Scroll down a bit and look for the Add Profile section button. Click on it, then select Core and next Add About. This will open the summary text box where you can enter or edit your professional summary. This section is a deeper dive into your career journey, skills and interests. Make sure it's engaging and truly reflective of your professional identity. Once you've refined your summary to perfection, just click on Save. This will ensure all your hard work is shown clearly to recruiters and connections alike. Remember, your LinkedIn profile is often the first impression you make professionally, so take your time to ensure that both your headline and summary are impactful and accurate. And that's it, you've successfully added or edited your LinkedIn headline and summary, making your profile that much more attractive to potential employers and connections. Keep your information updated regularly as your career progresses to make the most of LinkedIn's networking potential. Thank you for joining me today. Be sure to subscribe for more quick and helpful tutorials. And until next time, happy networking.